people, many philosophers say if you look to the stars, that's where we not only receive our light, but consciousness. And that's true because there has to be a source for this consciousness. I say it's the stars. The sun and the stars are the source of consciousness, which gives new meaning to the micro and macro universe. We are receiving information from the stars. This gives a great deal of credence to people who've looked at the stars and said, we can tell our future in the stars. You can, if you can interpret the stars.
I recently went to the California Science Center. I live in Los Angeles, and I saw an IMAX documentary on the Webb telescope. And it is the interstellar mind bending phenomenon. It just blows my mind that this telescope could go 1 million miles away from the Earth and take photographs of the beginning of the universe. It can capture the light energy and bring it back and show you when our universe was born, like to the date. And it's extremely just mind-blowing that because of the way that light actually moves so much slower, and the stars that we look up at the sky, that light is so old, and that star could
Yes,
have burnt out thousands of years
that's
ago,
right.
but because it takes such a long time for it to get to us. And so that's where it's almost like, yeah, there is a shifting and a suspension of belief because it's very difficult for the mind to kind of bend around unless you really kind of sit with it for a while.
Yeah.
I know it takes me a long time. I'm not that smart. So I just have to like just be like, wow, this is pretty complex, but it's very cool.
No, you are very smart. And you realize that when we're looking at electromagnetic energy, it has a limit of about 186,000 miles per second. So it takes time for that light to come to the Earth. Now, what's my point?